Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have edit or view access to both spreadsheets. This prevents permission errors later. Once done, copy the source spreadsheet URL and note the exact sheet name and range you need. Now in the target file, type equals import range. Paste URL, sheet 1, A1, C10 to establish the first connection. This both references data and triggers Google to request authorization. Make sure to press enter and allow access when prompted to proceed. Once the link exists, refine which rows or columns you actually need so you avoid pulling excess data. You can wrap import range inside query. Select call 1, call 3 where call 2 100, or use filter to get dynamic subsets. This reduces clutter and speeds recalculation. Make sure to use named ranges or absolute references, $1, $C $100, when you plan to copy formulas or drag them across. Also check that header rows align, and adjust ranges. To finish, verify that all imported data updates correctly. Force a recalculation by editing a cell or reloading the sheet. If you see #ref or loading errors, reauthorize the import range prompt or open both files to refresh permissions. Make sure to wrap risky expressions with IFR to present clean results while you debug. If sync is slow, reduce range sizes or split imports across tabs to avoid quota or performance limits. These steps keep the link stable and predictable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.